Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and this is my collection of bundt pans. I read on the internet that banana bread is the most searched recipe, but I want it to look impressive. So we're going to do it in my heritage bundt pan today. I love bananas, and this recipe has a high ratio of banana to flour, keeping it extremely moist and naturally sweet. It's so delicious, especially served warm with butter on top. I am so hungry, so let's get to this. We have 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a cup butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 1/3 cup mashed overripe bananas. In a large bowl, we whisk together the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, we'll cream together the butter, the vanilla, and the brown sugar. And when that's done, we'll add in the eggs and the banana. We're going to take the banana mixture and mix it into the flour mixture until it's just incorporated, and then put it in a pre-prepared bundt pan. Now we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven for about 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. I let the cake cool for 10 minutes in the pan before flipping it over onto a wire rack to cool completely. And then I sprinkled it with powdered sugar as an easy way to decorate it. This cake is so scrumptious, and I love to cut between the ridges. It's really gorgeous. Let me show you. Well, it was a treat baking with you today. For a written recipe, go to alonetogetherbaking.com. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I'm Sky. Let's bake together again soon.